This is part 4 to my Portals Rainbow High Bella custom. Today we'll be making her two eyes on her forehead to create the nymph look. And then we paint her. To make the eyes, we need to mix our two bonds. Don't want to make the eyeballs too big. I mean, Rainbow High eyes are really freaking huge. And they look like they just took a lot of Molly. Gonna mix the two. And then we're gonna roll it into a ball. That's a good size. And then I'm just gonna, maybe smaller. I think these two eyes on her forehead are gonna be a lot easier than the cheeks and the ear process. Not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna stick it to her forehead. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other. And I'm not following any instructions. I'm literally just, I thought of this. Maybe move them up a little bit. I'm gonna move her eyes. Ta-da! The next step is the eyelids. Just gonna roll the clay into a little poop. And then we're gonna flatten it. Just like that. And then we're gonna shape the eyes. Just like that. They're gonna be very open. I mean, Rainbow High eyes are like, so these are gonna be very wide eyes. Hopefully it works. Ta-da! And then we're just gonna mold the clay to her head using, I'll use a needle. Just gonna knead that to the head. So we don't want this to fall off. We want it to harden to the doll. There we go. Got one down. There we go. For the second one, we're gonna do the same process. Poopify the clay. It doesn't have to be too crazy long of a piece of clay, but just enough. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit. Oh, that's rock solid. Okay. Literally, it has a lifespan, so use as much epoxy clay for your projects as you can. Your $21 to use. So, I mean, it's an amazing product. It hardens really well. It just is unfortunate because it takes forever to dry. But I do love it. Fond of the memories. Making elf ears for my BJD. Good old days. I really love this now. I'm really look at these eyes. Look at them. I'm so excited. She's being given a new identity. I love this doll. Ta-da! We wait for her to dry. Her second ear is so much bigger, but it's okay. She looks like Nemo from Finding Nemo. It has a lucky fin. Instead of spraying directly onto the doll, I'm gonna create a puddle of paint and then use a Q-tip. She is coming together and I'm very, very happy with this. Follow for more updates.